What you see here before you is a 52-inch brushed steel Hampton Bay Redington III. Manufactured by Powermax or King of Fans back in 2001. High gloss black blades, arched end, and they're reversible to a high gloss rosewood on the top. Down rod ball socket mount, could also be flush mounted. And there's the main information sticker there on the top there, if you can see it. It's a pretty cool fan. I've always liked the look of these. The fan is powered with a remote control system, which came standard on the Redington III. All function remote, including reverse. So 2001 was the introductory year for the Redington III. And also the introductory year for the Quick Connect system that Hampton Bay offered in that time period. You can see on the blades, they have keyhole slots where you can slide lock the blades in place. I believe when these were new, the blade irons were already attached to the motor. So you just had to build the rest of the fan and just quickly slide lock the blades in place, and there you go. The Redington II looked pretty much identical to this, but the blades did not have the quick connect feature. They just standard screw in style like you'd normally see. And then the Redington IV, which succeeded this fan, the remote feature went away on it, and it just became a 3-speed pull chain fan. The switch housing on the Redington IV is a lot shorter because that switch housing houses the remote receiver. The original Redington that was introduced in the 90s looked a lot different than what you see here. And over the years, these were available in polished brass, antique brass, whitened brass, and brushed steel. So, and there's a couple different variations in the finish offerings over each variation. So let's go ahead and start the light up here. So you hold the remote in and the lights will dim. And if you keep holding it, it'll gradually go back to full brightness again. Then hit it again, it'll shut it off, and we'll start the fan up on low. Motor inside this fan is a 188 by 14, I want to say. Blade pitch, I would think, could be around 13 degrees. Haven't really measured them, though. So low speed, a tad bit fast. Definitely could be a little bit slower. We'll go to medium. Aside from an audible hum, the fan runs pretty quiet, no bearing noise at all. It's a pretty smooth running fan. And we'll take it to high. ever so slight wobble. Nothing to be worried about. But performance-wise, it's decent. It's a little bit less than what I was expecting it to be. This is the first time I've ever encountered one of these in person. The RPM, as stated in the catalog, is 180. So it's definitely doing around 180 RPM here. Like I said, I was kind of hoping that it would be a little bit better of an air mover, but since it is one of Hampton Bay's higher end fans at the time, but it is what it is. Gonna turn the light back on here. Definitely a pretty cool looking fan. I've always liked the look of these. Definitely my favorite finish of them. And we'll go ahead and shut things off. And that's all I got for this fan, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 52-inch brushed steel Hampton Bay Redington 3 from 2001. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Stay cool. Take care. Peace.